गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। अगले दिन हम लोग जो डिस्कस किए थे डीप वाटर के जस्ट टाइटल के बारे में, सेंट्रल आइडिया के बारे में, कैरेक्टर के बारे में, आज हम लोग इस लेसन के समरी के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे, जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या इस समरी के द्वारा अथर का क्या संकेत है, क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। सो लेट अस सी in what way the story proceeds. Let us see the summary of the lesson deep water. इस लेसन में यह बताया गया है कि अभ्यास के द्वारा मनुष्य किसी भी कला को सीख सकता है। जिस तरह से कि दुग्गल अपने जीवन में स्विमिंग को एक कला के माध्यम से सीखा। जीवन के प्रारंभिक काल में पिता के साथ जब एक बार वो कैलिफोर्निया के समुद्री तट पर गए थे तो उन्हें समुद्र के ज्वार के द्वारा द वेव्स ऑफ द सी नॉक्ड हिम डाउन, और उसी दिन से उन्होंने यह पानी के प्रति भय उत्पन्न किया कि मैं अब कभी भी पानी के समुद्र के किनारे, नदी के किनारे नहीं जाऊंगा। इस तरह के भय को धीरे धीरे वो चाहे कि हम दूर करें। पुनः एक बार वे YMC पूल पर गए और सोचा कि थोड़ा हम इसमें अभ्यास करेंगे। अभ्यास करने के क्रम में एक दिन जब वो किसी दूसरे बच्चे की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे तो उसी समय एक दूसरा बालक आया और उसे YMC पूल में धकेल दिया। पानी के अंदर वे चले गए और भिन्न भिन्न परिस्थितियों का सामना उन्हें पानी के अंदर करना पड़ा। पानी से अंदर रहे गए और मौत के मुंह से निकलकर वे बाहर आए। इस तरह से जीवन में उन्होंने इस भय का सामना किया और अंत में उन्होंने यह निश्चय किया कि इस तरह से भय को पालना ये ठीक नहीं होगा। अब कहा भी गया है कि fear is the biggest enemy of mankind. It should be removed either by practice or by anything. So hence he decided himself to engage an instructor, and the instructor advised him and assisted him to learn the art of swimming. He used to go with the instructor daily in the pool where he learned the art of swimming by his dedication, sacrifices, and a strong willpower. Finally, he crossed many difficult lakes under the guidance of the instructor, and we swam the rivers and lakes. After 3 months, when he got expertise in the art of swimming, he decided himself to swim alone in a particular river that will overcome his long-pending fear. Even after the expertise what he got under an instructor, now he develops the fear. The fear continues even after getting expertise. But one day, when he swam in a river, in a lake, alone with his own will, and finally he crossed successfully. this way he finally conquered over the fear of water. So this is the idea, summary that I wanted to convey through this passage. And now I give some homework on the lesson deep water. The homework is short type questions. What is the misadventure that William Dougal speaks about? What were the series of emotions and fears that Dougal experienced when he was thrown into the pool? What plans did he make to come to the surface? How did his experience affect him? Why was Dougal determined to get over his fear of water? How did the instructor build a swimmer out of Dougal? This question is very, very important. Many times in the exams, the questions have come. And the last one is, how did Dougal make sure that he conquered the old terror? So these are the sort type of questions. Again, some important extracts of the lesson are discussed here. The one lesson and the extract is, I had an aversion to the water, as I was frightened. This is the passage, an extract from the lesson. And on the basis of this extract, there are following questions. Who is the author and what is the lesson here? Who is I in the above lines? What happened to the author? What is the person with the author? Why was the author frightened? So these are the questions on the basis of this extract. Now the second extract is, I was frightened, but not at frightened out of my wits. On the way down, I planned. When I felt my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump. This is also an important extract, and on the basis of this extract, the following questions are here. Who is I? Name the lesson and the author. What is the mental state of the above lines? In the above lines, what is the mental state of the author in the above lines? And the author is mentally determined to face the challenge how. And the last one extract important. A stark terror took an even deep hold on me, like a great charge of electricity, nothing happened. On the basis of this important extract, following are the questions. First one, state the helplessness of the author here. B, explain the term like a great charge of electricity. C, what are the figure of speech in the above lines? D, name the lesson and the author. So these are the important extracts on which following questions are given. So it is for homework. Again, long type questions. One is for homework. Escape the character. Second important question, very good. This is the question, analytical questions, creative questions. Self-realization in one's life mold his/her personality. Explain and substantiate the truth of this statement on the basis of the lesson deep water. So these are the tasks that you have to get it completed.